Hello dear students, so today we are in 66 kV substation. Here we will see the different components that we have right from the starting. So I'll go to the input side. As you can see here, this is the input side, and at the input first of all we are having the lightning arrestor. As you can see over there, this is the lightning arrestor at the input side. Okay, then after that we are having the current transformer, then PT is there. Okay, this is your PT. These are basically to measure the voltage and the current. Current transformer is used for various protections also. In that also we use it. Now this is your isolator. This is our double break isolator. As you can see the specifications over here. These are the specifications. This isolator is made by Siemens Limited, and these are the informations that you can note down. So today we are actually in this video we are going to see the isolator. So this is the isolator we have, which is connected in our substation. This is a double break isolator. Currently it is in on position, but whenever we operate it, I'll show you the position in that case also, that whenever you operate it means whenever it is off, at that time what will be the position. Currently it is in on position, and this rod that you are seeing over here, this rod is actually gets connected whenever you are doing the maintenance. Whenever you operate the circuit breaker, this isolator, this will go to the upper side. Okay, so that there should be a earthing, so that the capacitive charges, they should go to the earth and the maintenance should be done very easily. So we are having one isolator over here. This is at the input side. Then on the other side also, if you see on the other side of this circuit breaker, we are having another isolator. This isolator is basically connecting the bus bar, the main supply to the bus bar, and there are two transformers we have. So at the input of each transformer you can see the isolator. This is the another isolator you can see over here. This is also in on position, but if you see this one, this is in off position right now. This is how the position changes, as you can see, but the earthing has not been done. The reason is that they are not doing any maintenance right now. Whenever we need to do the maintenance, at that time we need to do the earthing. Now we'll see at home also we are using some isolators. Like this is one isolator, as you can see. This is 240/415 volt 40 ampere isolator. This is a 2-pole isolator, single phase. In single phase circuit we are using this. We have another one.